Hello everybody. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to add time in the Excel sheet. Adding time in Excel sheet is not a quite straightforward process, because when we tend to add the time in Excel sheet, the time comes to be very small as it adds in a format of 12 and 24 hours. So we will learn how to get a wholesome addition of the time. So over here I have a time sheet for the month of August, and this is the first week of August. Here is the day, this is the start time of the work, this is the end time of the work, and we're going to find the duration here. Subtracting the time is not quite a big deal. We can just subtract the initial value by its final value. Then I'm just going to copy this formula over here. So the real problem comes when we are going to add the duration. We just use the formula of sum. From this row to this row we are going to add the time. So the time comes about 7 hours and 47 minutes, but as we can see, here is 4 hours, here is 5 hours. That means at least 9 hours the answer must come, but it has been coming 7 hours. That means there is something mistake here. So there is nothing any mistake. We just have to follow a simple trick. We have to do format cells, and we have been following a custom format of hour and minute. So in this hour format, we just have to add a large bracket. When we are adding a large bracket in the hour format, we are taking this hour format as constant addition. That means this hour format has been eliminated from the clock addition, means it has been done as a sum addition. So we are doing OK, and then our real sum of 31 hours and 47 minutes comes, and this is the correct answer.